Welcome to our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Niche Building Playbook. This is a bridge to your desired audience. I'm Fran Acero, and this is sort of like a mini course to help you learn more about niches. Let's just consider this the power of a niche, the overview. And we'll go over what we're going to be discussing from today forward and give you a taste of what you might need for choosing your own niche. All right. So whether you have a niche or not, that's the first question. If you're here with a niche, that's great. I want to acknowledge you for showing up with a niche, right? You might think, I don't need this course, right? Even though it's a mini course. But you might need it because I thought I had a niche for years and found out that was the reason why I was failing for all those years is because I didn't have a niche. All right. And that's really what this whole course is about. But if you don't have a niche, this is a great place to start so that you can sort of formulate where you want to go and why you want to go there. So stick around. All right. So first of all, I want you to know that I'm a student just like you. And I want to tell you a little bit about my story. First of all, I started on YouTube about in 2009 and then got a channel in 2011, a second channel. And I failed at it for at least 10 years. And how did I fail at it? Because I really had a lot of fun doing it. I even started making a little bit of money, but I didn't have committed audience. I didn't have engagement. And what I really wanted to do was learn how to do it right. So I studied it and I did what I thought I needed to do to learn it. And I did. I learned a lot, but it certainly wasn't enough to take me to a level that I wanted to, where I could monetize my channel. So what I did is I eventually, because I studied, I bought books and DVDs and audio books, things like that. I read a lot about it, but eventually I took a formal academy and it was life-changing. It really helped me know what I was working towards, because sometimes you think, you're watching everybody else do it. You're trying to do it exactly the way they do it, but you don't know what you don't know. And that's what changed my life forever. But here's what happened. I learned about niches and I learned what to do in the academy. And then I decided to go into multiple directions. And I decided to break the rules that were there. I had to get back to the plan eventually because I was still taking what I learned about niches and doing it my way. And then I got back on track. That could happen to you. It actually could. So I want to talk to you about what we're going to learn over the next couple of sessions. And hopefully I have saved you about 10 years worth of trial and error. And there's a place for you to leave comments on where you're at with your niche so that I can help you and respond to you and maybe lead you to a better place.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.